Bismillah Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Allah, beginning with the name of the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Usman Ali Bhatt. By profession, I am a journalist. Today, I gonna present my point of view about the book Subhan Al Rehman, anil jismi jihati makan, written by the world-renowned research scholar Shaykh Saqib Iqbal Shaami, founder of Kanzul Huda International. I want to share some information, especially regarding the faith of Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. Nowadays, fake Islamic scholars want to prove the body of Allah and make them others on it. In this book, Subhan Al Rahman, the grand Shaykh of the Muslim Ummah, clearly opposed this idea. The Shaykh has proved with the reference of the Salaf Salihin and reasoning, as well as answered all the questions raised by the Wahhabiyya, Mujassimiya and the Mutashabba. Shaykh also defined all the terms which he has used in this book. At the end, I requested the youth of the Muslim Ummah who are studying in higher education like universities or colleges, they must buy and read this book and share their thoughts, ilm with their fellow friends, so that you can and your friends protect their beliefs. Okay, Khuda Hafiz.